Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on board my 2018 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Now when you hear 18 and you're watching this video in 19, that can only mean one thing. This is a leftover. And you know what? I'll take the blame for it being a leftover. I won't let them let it go because I love this boat. This boat is Boston Whaler's rocket ship. Speeds over 60 miles an hour. And for a fisherman, this is a dream boat. You've got twin live wells. One here at the leaning post, you've got one in the rear. You've got tackle storage on the port side of the leaning post. Incredible bilge access. If you've got to fix something on the fly, need to get after a bilge pump, a bait well pump, whatever the case may be, incredible access here. You still have Boston Whaler's famed rear bench, the hinges, no legs, no damage to your fiberglass, but true fish boxes, real, insulated, massively long. Folks, I mean, use your imagination about the fish you're gonna catch on this boat that you're gonna put in those fish boxes, because your imagination is what's gonna rule it. Of course, phenomenal hardtop on these, and the powder coating is some of the best in the industry. What you're not seeing here is electronics. A lot of my customers really are opinionated about what they use. It's the old iPhone Android debate. And so here you've got options from Raymarine, Simrad, and Garmin. We'll put them together on a dealer package. We can tweak that package for you, whether it's an open array, 4-foot radar for all the distance you could ever get, or you want something simple up close for predominantly chasing birds and when you're around the harbor. Of course, we can do the same modifications and tailored to suit transducers for you as well. And I love the helm on this boat, guys. Just the bolsters here, the armrests, it's comfortable. Soft water, rough water, incredibly comfortable boat. Of course, a tempered glass windshield and a forward vent for the hot days, which we get plenty of in Florida. And you've got an electronics box above, a glove box down below. I'd be remiss leaving without mentioning Mercury's incredible digital controls. They're the best there is. That's all there is. But no Boston Whaler leaves the factory without a tip of the hat to the family. Come on forward and I'll show you why. While this boat's got incredible walk-around fish space, there is a full cushion setup here. They turn back your gunnels to give folks the opportunity for a backrest. But this that's covered up right now is truly the best of it. This is the smallest of the Outrage models that has this coffin box lounger. Not only is it an incredibly comfortable place, I can't stress that enough, it's seriously comfortable, for two people to hang out whether you're on plane or off, but for the fishermen in you, those are 5-gallon buckets down there, and there's room to stack 2 on top of each other. Steps down in, just think about what that means for room for you. That means a decluttered deck. And that is just one of the party tricks that this boat has. Of course, pump out head in the console, spreader lights, and we can tweak the electronics for you guys. This is a 28 Outrage. I love this boat, not just because it's a rocket ship, not just because it fishes incredibly, but because of what it does for the family and the value this 280 is. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. If you want a little bit better deal than normal on your 280, give us a call at the Sarasota store for the only one left. I'm Jeremiah. Talk to you soon.